Welcome to SS210 Statistics and Social Sciences. This is an intro video that's kind of give you a lay of the land. Okay. The first one is Populi. Please work from lessons and nowhere else. Everything you need to be successful in this class, for the most part, is in lessons. Your assignments are in lessons. Everything is in lessons. If you work from the assignments page, you don't get the instructions that go with it and the videos that show you how to do the certain tests that you need to run. Basically, I cannot help you at that point. You need to watch every video. That's the big part. Okay? So we will be breaking down the weeks in a little while, and then we're going to talk just a little bit about the assignments that are due each week and what they are. So the first one up are basically discussion boards, and there's not very many of them, but they are always due on Wednesday. If there are responses, they're due on Sunday. All of it, everything is due at midnight, 11:59, one click away from midnight of the next day. If it is late, the late policy is 20% off for the first 5 days. After the first 5 days, you cannot go back and remake it up, and I really hold tight to that rule. Discussion boards, you have 5 days on the initial from the due date of Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. You still get the 20%. But if you did not do responses on time, then you don't do it. Understand that we have small classes right now, and everybody doing those discussion boards are important, because it's not fair to the people who did turn it in on time and have nothing to respond to. So it's really important that you get those done. Okay? We have something called a write-up in this class. And those are the write-ups for the statistical tests. Okay? The statistical tests. And they are standardized. It's not a place where you reinvent the wheel and rewrite it. You write it just as I'm asking you to write it. This is where I say, follow my directions and you will have no problem. If you do not follow directions, you're going to have big problems. Okay? The next portion up is, in terms of the write-ups, is the editing procedure. So Monday starts the week. You have until Friday noon to get it in for sure, getting edited and sent back. You turn it in on Monday, you're going to get the edits back Monday, or maybe even latest Tuesday morning. Tuesday morning, you turn in your edits and it's done. It's done for the week. If you wait till Friday, you have Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to do the edits. But from Friday to Sunday, it's a hit and miss. I usually grade papers on Saturday morning, but once I close that computer on Saturday morning, I don't grade any more papers. You had all week to turn it in and get it done. It doesn't take that long, okay, to do these assignments. You get it, you get your edits, you make it perfect, and you're done, okay? If you, from the moment Saturday noon till Sunday night, I am 99% sure that 90% of the time I am not available to grade papers. I will grade your paper Monday morning. I will give you back the edits, and you will not be able to re-edit, and you'll get the grade that you deserve. Have earned, I should not deserve, but earned from that. Whether you did it right or you did it wrong, you'll get your edits back. Okay? Next portion of that is real important. Okay? I only accept Word documents. I don't take pictures. I don't take anything. I only take Word documents. You get it for free. You get the full version for free. If you work from Google Docs, you're on your own, because Google Docs will mess up the settings and the format that you send it to me in, because I will be opening it in Word and I will make one edit. But if you're going to stay in Google Docs, when you get the full version for free, you get the grade that you get, because you're not following the directions. Okay? All files have to have your name in it. So it would be Ianson, let's say, one sample t-test. When I send it back to you, I put my name in front of it. It says Jeff, and then your name, and then the assignment. And then when you do get your edits, you do it in your original document. You don't accept the edits that I gave you because it will come across as being lined out. And I'll just send it back and I said, you're not following the directions. Okay? As you hear the thing, follow the directions and you'll be great. Okay? There is a final in this class and it's generated around the write-ups and the keywords from the first couple weeks. And then you have what is called as a weekly review. Okay? This means that you're looking at the notes, you're looking at videos, you're looking at everything, and you're compiling a outline of everything that is in that week. And it's due Friday at 11:59. Why? Because you should be done studying by Friday, if not earlier. If it's totally incomplete and you've only got a couple lines, you're not getting any points. If it's good, you're going to get your points. If it's great, you're going to get your points. But this is your final review. When you get to the end, I'm not giving you a final review. Anything that is in Populi, any write-up, you'll be doing actual write-ups. So if you don't have it, you're going to make mistakes and you're going to get marked down. So if you stay on top of the weekly reviews, you're fine. Weekly reviews, it's either you turn it in on time or you get a 0. There's no excess in this one. There's no extra time because you're supposed to be studying. You're supposed to be in the room. You're supposed to be spending time in this class and not just on Sunday afternoon. If you want to do this only on Sunday afternoon, you get the grades that you get, but you have to turn this in by Friday. Okay? Check the syllabus and lessons for everything. Make sure that your phone number and everything is set up because I send out a lot of reminders and I send out a lot of things that are important on the bulletin board and in text messaging. So if you're not in the room and you're not checking, and the funny thing is, I see most of you checking your text messages 100 times a day. If you miss my text, you need to be checking in the room to make sure that there's not something I've done or fixed or given you to make this job, make it very easy for you. So how this works is week 1 and week 2 are really your background. Week 1 is like a beginning, but then it really starts there, but it finishes background such as the keywords and elements that you need to know. Week 3 is your first write-up. Week 4 is graphs and our kindness week, which is our faith integration. 5, 6, and 7 are straight statistical tests, and week 8 is the final. It goes very fast. Always remember that you can reach out, ask questions, text first, call second, email third. If you email and continue emailing, I just stop answering. All you're going to get from me, please text me this because I'm not always next to my computer, but I'm next to my phone. If you text me, I get it right there. I can probably answer your question. All right, that is the intro for this class. Other than that, I'm glad you're here. Let's get this done and let's get this class taken care of on your schedule. And I'm here to help. Have a great day.